Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today, I mean, it's the new year now, we've entered 2020, and I thought it's time to do, you know, change it up a little bit, but probably for the better. So today we're just going to be discussing brush cleaning. So I actually went out and got this product last year. So this is the StylPro, apparently it's a limited edition one, but it's like a brush cleaner. It's though, like, they've been everywhere, the bowl things that you kind of like dip the brush in and it like spins it really fast. A couple of friends of mine have had this and like literally said it's been really good and amazing, so I was like, to hell with it, we've got to try it. It also does come with brushes, so I'm like, ooh, interesting, because I totally don't have enough brushes as it is. But like, I'm terrible sometimes at cleaning my brushes. Like literally, I don't know if you can see it, but this like is filthy. Even the case is filthy. Like, this is just like coated in, it even feels it. Like, I feel like if I did this enough, I'd actually just completely cover my hand in like foundation. This is probably coated in like, oh, hello, powder. I literally can see powder flying off. So I'm not the best at cleaning my brushes. Again, I've got a pink brush. These should all be white, by the way. So like, I don't even want to give this as an example because I actually use this for once, but it should be closer to like that shade, like a paler color. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to try it. I want to see just how good it actually works, because if this is going to speed up the process of not only washing but drying the brushes as well, because like I actually do, sorry, I'm trying to open this at the same time, I actually do kind of enjoy washing the brushes. I find it quite like therapeutic to just like sit there and scrub them. And watch like all the crap come out. I'm such a weirdo like that. But the one thing that really bothers me is actually the drying process, because it's just so like, a lot of the times I don't think about washing my brushes until I need to use them. So I'm like, I don't have the time to be sitting there waiting for them to dry. But anyway, enough of that, let's get open this box. So of course we have the bowl, and within the bowl is actually the, what should I call it? I have to take this off. Don't know. Ow. That actually hurt quite a bit. We've got the, what do you call them? Like the brush head thingies that you connect with. And it comes in like a really nice stand. So like these are to help fit specific sized brushes. So fingers crossed all of mine will fit in these. I'm really hoping. But we're gonna find out. So I'm actually gonna just pop that back on. We have our nice little, oh, this is such an ASMR thing. I'm definitely doing an ASMR video of this, just like, brush cleaning ASMR. Oh my god, we're doing it. But yeah, this is literally just the bowl. I don't know why I had to say it like that, but sure. It comes with two StylPro brushes. These actually feel really nice. I mean, this is a little bit like bent over, but hey, we'll go with it. So this feels like more of a, I guess it's called, is it a stippling brush or something? It's like more for like just really getting it in and getting that coverage, and this feels more powder brush, you know. It's very big. I mean, I think my other powder brush is bigger, but yeah. So it comes with those. We obviously have the little wand thing. Anyone that sees that is gonna think like so many things. God. Hopefully it does have batteries. I'm really praying it does. Oh, legendary. So we can take the little tab out. If that does not sound sexual, I don't know what is. And then last but not least, it actually does come with a makeup brush cleaner. So this is a StylPro own thingy. It says do not add water, so you literally just use this, apparently. Does it give instructions? Oh, it does. So add a small amount to the StylPro bowl and follow instructions. So this is the instructions, okay? Brush will be clean and dry within seconds. Do not mix with water. Great. Okay, is there instructions somewhere else then that I'm missing? Probably on the box, right? There indeed. Do they actually have proper instructions, or is it just a lie? I can't see any instructions. I guess we're just gonna go with it. Let's win it. Right, so what we're gonna do, I have no idea how I'm gonna actually do this. I didn't think this through properly. So we have the bowl. Now, we have to open this, which is surprisingly easy to open. Oh god, it's got the cap thing on. I'm just stabbing it because I ain't got time to be trying to peel that off. Stab. And then just kind of peel it slightly. I'm really good with these videos, aren't I, guys? Jeez. And now, I don't really know what a small amount is gonna be. Because it doesn't look, sorry I'm holding it up way too much. That doesn't look like a lot, but we'll go with it and we'll see what happens. Because I don't want to fill it up too much and then just like it's spray everywhere. Okay, so we've got this. I think we should start with our buffing brush just because this is probably more densely packed with like crap. So then we just have to find which one, first try, is gonna be the best match. I think that's pretty secure. I'm really nervous. If this ruins this brush, I'm gonna cry. Oh well. Oh my god. Alright, I want to just see what it looks like. I'm such a weird child. How fun is that? Okay, right, so I'm pretty sure they say, because I've seen like some videos on this, that you just like try and dunk in, and already like, so, look at the colour of the water already, it's just like filthy. This shows how much Josh washes his brushes. Right. Oh my god, this is very intense. I keep hitting the bottom of it. This is very intense though. Okay, now I'm just gonna like, ow. It's like shaking so much. It does not, wait, hold on. Like it does not want to. That is amazing. Like legit, like it's dry as a bone. I mean, it was kind of just like flailing about a little bit, but like, no joke. That worked. Oh my god, it's bone dry and it is so clean. I'm in love. It's time to do another one. What other brush should we do? This is actually really exciting me. I've also got some like eyeshadow brushes because I tend to kind of ruin those as well. Let's actually try an eyeshadow brush. Where's our There's our fluffy brush. So this is our blending brush, always gets like super dirty. I don't know if you can see, but that's literally like brown. Probably because I keep wearing nudes. Oh, this doesn't feel like it's gonna be. Oh, that's annoying. I don't think that's gonna work. This doesn't work, I'm very upset. We'll try. It might drop. Oh god. Yeah, I pushed it in too hard. Maybe insert this one first and then I might have to like hold this. Oh, it's kind of working. Oh, I didn't dunk it, did I? I'm not even following the rules anymore. I'm such a rebel. I think you're meant to do it for like 30 seconds. Oh my god, it is going wild. And it has come out. It's fine, I'll make it work. I'm just so nervous. This is just so entertaining. I hope that this is like entertaining for you guys because like this is so cool. Like look at how clean it is. And it's dry. So I could just go in and just start using it. Oh my god. I'm crying inside. Because this is like my new best friend. Let's do our contour brush because again that's another one that kind of just gets super mega dirty. And again, oh, it's such an awkward shape. Beauty bae, why you do this? Oh my god, I'm getting way too excited by this. Okay. This should hopefully be okay. But like this is covered in like my contour powders and stuff. Because this is what I use for powder. Powder. Okay. That's literally not even gonna... No, that's not gonna fit. Let's see if the smaller one will actually hold it. Because this is like absolutely tiny. But, fuck it, we're going with it. I'm just too excited, I can't not do this. Right. Dunk, 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 dunk. Honestly, this is so much fun. This is the most fun I've had in like a while. Hashtag deprived childhood. Joking. It makes so much like splash. But it doesn't actually get out of the bowl, which is really nice. I think that's why they say to use just a small amount. And then you probably should clean it out like after every so often like use. Probably not, like especially with the amount of dirt that is on mine, I probably should clean it out more. But we're going with it. And this is super... I literally... I'm gagged. I'm in love. And you can and they just go back to their normal state. And they're so beautiful and soft again. Oh, I'm getting really emotional and I'm probably gonna sit here for the rest of the night and do this. But I think I've done this way too much. And I do probably need to clean this water. It literally looks like chocolate milk. I kind of want to drink it, but it's probably really bad. Right. Overall thoughts on the StylPro brush cleaning kit thingy, majiggles, whatever we want to call it. I love it. It is so quick and so easy to use, and like it gives that good clean finish, as you can see from the brushes. They are super clean, and like when I say they're dry, like bone dry, I'm not even lying. Like it's amazing how dry they are. Oh, that's generally going to be my lifesaver. But yeah, that is like super awesome. I'm trying to remember where I got it. I think I got it in like an Aldi or a Lidl. It was literally just like, I was walking down the aisles with my mum and I just saw it and I was like, everyone's been talking about this, give it to me. And I think it was probably like 20-30 quid. So it's not like break the bank expensive, it's pretty standard, I'd say, in beauty world. And you know, the amount of crap that we buy for like cleaning our brushes, and it saves so much time and effort, so it is worth the money. So fingers crossed I'll find like a link for you to actually get this, and then yeah, go and enjoy and have fun with have fun with this. It's never gonna get old, is it? But anyway, you guys, I hope that this video was informative for you. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, of course, as always, leave a cheeky like and feel free to comment down below. If you've got the StylPro, I'm curious, what are your thoughts on it? Do you love it? Is it like one of those life-saving products for you, or is it just like a bit meh? What's your thoughts? And definitely make sure you go and check in the description, because I will be hopefully leaving a link to buy your own StylPro. Yeah, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace now, bitches.